Hey guys, if your copy and paste command is not working inside of Windows 11, then keep watching, as in this video I'll provide you with some quick and easy solutions. So we will start just by making sure our system is fully up to date, as although this is a very generic fix, it can often resolve a lot of our system issues. So just head over to our start menu and search for settings, and then come over to the settings tab. From the left hand side here, we need to scroll down to Windows Update, and we're simply going to press this check for updates button to ensure we are running the latest version of Windows. And once you've installed any pending updates inside of here, then we can close out of this window, and we're going to head over to our file explorer, then come over to our C drive from the left hand side, and we need to scroll all the way down till you find this Windows folder and double click on this. Come down once more until you find System32, and we're going to come inside of this System32 folder, and what we're looking for inside of here is a file called RDP Clip. So you can either use this search feature here just to search for RDP Clip, or you can just simply scroll down the folder to find this executable file. And once you've located rdpclip.exe, we're simply going to right click on this file and select Run as Administrator. Now, for most of you, that would have now fixed the issue. However, if that's still not working, you'll need to move on to the next method. So in this method, what we're going to do is come over to our Start menu, and you need to search for cmd, and then right click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. Inside of here, we're just going to type in the following command, sfc /scan now, and then hit enter. And this is going to check all of our core Windows system files just to ensure that everything's working correctly and nothing's corrupted or damaged. So you'll need to wait for this verification process to get to 100%. So once that scan gets to 100%, hopefully that's now fixed the issue for you. If that's still not working, then what you'll need to do is type in this second command here, which is cmd /c quotation marks echo off, and then you need to type in space and one of these downward symbols on your keyboard, followed by the word clip and ending quotation marks. And what this is going to do is it's going to clear all of our clipboard cache, so we can go ahead and press enter to run this command, and then we can close out of this window, and once again we can check to see if that's fixed the issue. Now if that's still not working, the very last thing we can do is head over to our task manager by coming to the start menu, searching for task manager, and then just head over to the task manager application. Now what we need to do inside of here is first just close down any processes and background applications that we don't need running on our computer. So if you do see any applications or programs inside of here that you actually don't need, for example I have Steam running in the background here, we're just going to right click this and select end task. Now obviously make sure to only close down applications that you know what they are, just to avoid closing down an important Windows service. And once you've gone through these list of applications, the last thing we're going to do inside of here is just come over to this Windows Explorer, and you need to right click on this and select restart. And once you've followed all of these steps, hopefully by now that's now fixed your copy and pasting issue. If you still are experiencing problems, then please drop a comment below and I'll try my best to assist you. If this video did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.